Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason, and welcome to my beginner friendly Substack newsletter tutorial. Substack is a very unique platform as it allows us to convert our blogs to email and then send them to our email list. It is a beginner friendly platform as you can use it whether you are new to email marketing or you're experienced. And in this tutorial, I'll be showing you step by step how to do that. I will also be showing you some other features of Substack that most persons don't know about. So the first thing you will need to do is go onto substack.com. From there you can create an account for completely free by tapping on sign in the top right hand corner. After you have done that, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Once you have entered your email address, you'll be redirected to this page. From here, you can enter your name. So let's say, for example, I were to enter my name right there. Then you can type out a quick bio. You can also add a profile pic. After doing that, you can tap on continue at the bottom of the page. Once you have tapped on continue, you can see the Substack URL that you'll be provided with. Also remember that you can change this in the future. So you'll tap on continue. After doing that, you're going to see a captcha pop up. You can simply tap on I am not a robot, then tap on continue. Once you have done that, if you have an email list or a mailing list, better yet, you can upload it right here by simply tapping on select file and you will be able to upload it. If you don't have a mailing list, you can tap on skip for now. Then from here, if you would like to add some friends or family members email list that you can send test email to or so on, you could do that, but I'll tap on skip for now. You can also choose your interests. So for example, I'm interested in sports and I also want to get some information about news right here. I could tap on news and tap on continue. After doing that, you can scroll down and you can see the different writers that they want to automatically subscribe you to, but I'll tap on skip for now. Then you'll tap on let's do this. After you're finished signing up, you'll be redirected to your main dashboard. So this is how your dashboard looks at the moment. Once on your dashboard, what I want you to do first is go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to tap on settings. After selecting settings, you'll be redirected to this page. From here, you'll see your publication name, which you can quickly edit. You can also add a short description right there if you want. And you can also change the language if you want right there. And you can also edit your about page. So you could edit your about page right here by tapping on edit. Then from there, you can edit your about page and how it looks. So when someone goes on your about page, it will look more professional, or you can leave it as is. Another thing that you can also do is you can edit the welcome email that new subscribers will receive, and you can also edit the welcome email to imported subscribers. And by scrolling down, you can add your logo right there, and by going down you can also add a cover image and so much more. But the thing that I want you to do first is right where you see website, we're going to tap on customize, as we are going to be customizing our website. So at the moment, this is how our home page looks. On the left hand menu option, you can see the different elements and features that we can edit. So for example, you can tap on feature, and if you would like to change it to newspaper style, you can see the newspaper layout right there. You can also tap on magazine and you can change it to a magazine layout if you want. Another thing that you can also do is you can decide whether you like to show the top post. So you can simply toggle that on if you want, and you can also decide the post layout, whether you like it to be list, grid, or group ups. You can also change the background color and design. Right where you see design right here, you could simply tap on design. After doing that, you can choose whether you like to change the background color or not. So for example, let's say I would like to change the background color to a light blue. I can simply select light blue right there, and you can see that the background color has now changed. You can also change the font size and style on the left hand menu option. And you can also tap on preview home page, and from there you could tap on email. Then you can see the email page right there, and you can also make changes to the email page. Once you're finished making your changes, you're going to tap on set theme in the bottom left hand corner. Another thing that I also recommend that you do from early out is selecting payments. By selecting payments, if you would like to make money with Substack, you can tap on connect with Stripe, and you could enter your Stripe information. And from there you will also see the option automatically toggled on, allow readers to pledge subscriptions. Some persons may toggle this off as they don't want to ask subscribers for money. So if that is the case, you can toggle it off by tapping on it right there to toggle that off. But if not, you can leave it on. And you can scroll along through all of the other settings features to get started and to set it up to your liking. But let's go back to the home dashboard. Once on the home dashboard, to create your first post, you'll simply tap on new post. Once you have tapped on new post, you'll be redirected to this page. From here, you can enter your title. So let's say, for example, I will call my first post welcome. After you have done that right here, you can type out your first post. So I'll simply type out a quick post right here. Hi, I'm currently testing out Substack. Keep in mind that you can also add photos and videos onto your Substack post by simply tapping on the photo icon right here. You can insert image if you want. You can use their stock photo, or you can use their AI feature to generate a photo. You can also edit your email header and footer by tapping on email header and footer. Then you'll be redirected to a new page on which you'll be able to upload a banner image, as you can see right here. And you can also scroll down, and then from there you'll see the option email footers, and you can also set that up, as you can see right there. Excuse me. And you can see the different editing features that you have here. You can change the style. If it is a case that you'd like to add the subscribe button, all you'll need to do is tap on buttons. Then from there you could select subscribe now. So you could add the subscribe button if you want, and you can add the share this button. You can see all of the features that if you can add. You can add leave a comment and all of these options right here. Now after you have created your post, you are going to tap on settings right here in the bottom right hand corner. Once you have tapped on settings, you can see the options. So you can select whether this post is for everyone or only paid subscriptions. You can also select whether you'd like to allow comments from everyone or no one. And you can also select the order of the comment. And by scrolling down, you can also select the email address that you'd like to send a test email to. And if you'd like to add a cover image for the social preview, you can do that. And if you would like to share the link secretly, you could simply tap on copy link right here. And then from there, you will be able to share the link even before publishing it. So you can share your draft link right here by tapping on copy link. And if you would like to edit the SEO, you can tap on SEO options. From here, you can see your SEO title and description, and you can also see the post URL. So you can make changes to all of these sections if you want. Now, after making the changes, we're going to go back. Wait, let me go back real quick. Now after making these changes, all you'll need to do, you could tap on preview in the top right hand corner. to preview how it would look, and you can see it right here. So you can see how it would look on mobile. If you would like to see how it looks on website, you can select website. If you would like to see how it looks in an email, you can simply tap on email and you can see it right there. Once you're finished, you can go over to the top right hand corner, and from there you could choose to send a test email to yourself. Then you'll tap on done. Now after tapping on done, another thing that I want to show you is if we were to tap on continue right here, as I had shown you earlier, you'll be redirected to that page and then you'll be able to publish it. But I want to show you something else, some of the other features of Substack. You'll be able to view all your posts right here by tapping on posts. At the moment you can see my drafts right there, and you can also schedule your posts when you would like them to be released by tapping on schedule here. To schedule them, all you'll need to do, let's say for example I were to select drafts, then I'm going to tap on edit posts. After you have selected edit posts, all you'll need to do now to schedule it, you'll tap on continue in the top right hand corner. After tapping on continue, you'll be redirected to this page. Then from here, you could tap on schedule in at the bottom of the page. So you could tap right there. Then you can select the time and date that you would like it to be sent out. So you can simply do that. Then you'll tap on send to everyone in that particular day. So you can schedule when you would like to send your posts. Now let's go back, as Substack also allows us to create or upload podcasts, as you can see right here. All you would need to do is tap on get started, and then from there you'll be able to share your podcast in newsletters, as you can see right here. You will be able to view your subscribers by tapping on subscribers. You'll be able to see all of your subscribers and your paid subscribers. You can also view your statistics by tapping on stats. So you'll be able to view your traffic, your emails, your pledges, and so on. And that's basically it when it comes onto Substack. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.